This is part 20, date, time, picker and if then statement. I'm explaining both here. So first I will run here how it is working. Date and time picker. This is my date and time picker we call. This is one of the control. Date and time picker is a control. Here you can see today's date is coming. Book borrowed date today date. Suppose book return date is 17 or 18. Then I will calculate how many days, 5 days. Using for loop, I calculate some rent or some fine, whatever the amount I'm collecting. So number of days book taken 5 days. Based on the days, it will calculate the amount. This is what my idea of the project coding. So now you can see what exactly the coding I'm writing here. Here first I will show the design of this one, particular one. You can see here date and time picker I will show here. This is a control where I will use the date and time picker. So view toolbox. I'll go view toolbox. Date and time picker. This is I will go and put it here. You see here. This way you can drag and do it. It will automatically come. So this is my toolbox. I can get date and time picker. I am placing two time pickers. Time picker 1 and time picker 2. This is here writing button in calculation how I want to calculate this one. So here I will remove because it is in date and time picker now. So I'll close the toolbox. Now you can see the coding. Time picker 1 value I am putting in where in date and time. The data type of the variable name is D1. That is date data type, date and time data type. Because time picker will show what? Date and time. That's why that data type I am using. D2 is time picker 2. What I am doing is the result I am doing subtract D2 minus D1. What is D2 minus D1? This date minus this one. That's why it will give what? Number of days. That's why I am doing this. So subtract them. And result I am putting what? Total days. Whatever the result I am getting with the variable, I am putting that days, total number of days, I am putting the days. So integer. Here what I am doing is I am placing in where? In text box 1. Here in the text box 1 I am placing how many days. I will run and show again. Here you see I'll pick this date. This is my date. Here I am picking date. For example 22 I will pick. This is my 2 time picker. This is what I am doing here. You can see here in my coding. This is what I am doing here. This is time picker 1. This is time picker 2. I am selecting the days. So what I am doing, I am subtracting 22 minus 13. I am selecting. I am picking that total days. Total days I am calculating. If I put calculate, where I am writing this coding, button 1 is calculate. This one. If I click this, the value will come where actually. The value is appearing in text box. That's what I am doing. The value is appearing. The days have total days. So that will appear in text box 1. Here appearing. After that, what I am doing, my value of days, text box is greater than 10. Then I am using some fine or rent, whatever it may be. It is less than 10. Less than 10. And what I am saying is, it is greater than equal to 5. Then I am collecting one amount. Then I am using message box. You see calculate. So the message box is appearing. This is my message box. You say number of days book taken. 9 days. This 9 days. This text box days. That is why I am giving value of text box 1 dot text. Or otherwise you can say days also. Because days also same value as storing. And VB dot new line. VB dot new line means it will come in the next line. That is the meaning of VB dot new line. The VB dot new line, what I am doing is here I am picking the value. You can see again I put the new line. Then I am putting the rent amount. Whatever the rent amount, where I am calculating the variable name is fine. Here fine. So this is what I am doing. So the time picker, you can use the time picker instead of date string or time string if you are calculating. That also you can do. Date difference. There is one function called date differ. Already that tutorial is available. Date differ tutorial. So that way also you can find the date differ and date function. Built-in function I already did it for the date. Here you can see date function using vb.net. Part 4 I already did date differ. Date add and date. This is very easy. The time picker is easy. That is also one method. We can calculate the how many days difference. So this is another method. We can calculate the dates using the easily we can pick the